What's up, y'all? This is I want to say part 3 of the auto to manual swap. So today I think I'm gonna solo it, YOLO, because everybody's busy, and I wanna get something done. Try to disconnect the axles somehow. I'm gonna try to get underneath the car, like drain the fluids, and yeah, disconnect the axles. And then the only thing that'll be left is the mounts. I'm gonna have to get the jack. So, I was just on Instagram and some guy hit me up. He was like, "Oh, bro, I watched your video. This and that. I did my car auto to manual too. So if you need any advice, I got you." I was like, "Word." And I love when people do that because that makes me feel so much more comfortable when I'm tearing shit apart, and I feel like people got my back, even though they're not there physically. So basically, he was saying like, yeah, he swapped his car auto to manual. He did a JDM front. I'm gonna shout him out right now. His name on Instagram is _DC4Rob. I'll put it down there in the on the little link or whatever. I was asking him like, yo, yeah, I'm gonna do a full swap from auto to manual, but I also want to change the motor. But me, I was just thinking like my motor runs perfectly fine, bro. Even though it has like 240 plus K miles, it runs good. So what I'm thinking is I just change the transmission, keep the motor I have right now, the OBD2 motor, and just keep it until it fucks up, keep it until it blows, and then just keep the motor that's in the black one right now for whenever this one fucks up, and I'll just throw that one here and convert it to OBD1. So right now, I just made a decision that I'm gonna just drop the transmission today before I go to work. I'll do it myself. I'll look up some videos, or I'll either call someone up, see if they can help me, because I got all the tools right here. My boy Benji lent me the toolbox.
My sheets, bro. Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking moon. Hey, pocket full of motherfucking blue guap.
So yeah, I'm gonna get back at y'all when I'm figured something out and how I'm gonna get this transmission out today. So let's get it. Alright, y'all, since I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, I'm gonna start with what I know. And I know for a fact you have to take off the transmission linkage shit, majigga. So I don't have a deep socket, or at least I didn't really look for one. So I'm gonna use this wrench, and I'm just gonna take a couple of hours till I. There's a deep socket. Y'all see me? You guys can see. Let's see what I can do. You know what I just realized? I think there's a bolt underneath this shit. That's why it's not going nowhere.
Such a dumbass.
Alright, yo, it's been like an hour later. Ended up running out of time because I gotta go to work. So I'm gonna have to continue this tomorrow morning. Whoever shows up, because this shit is no joke.
Like y'all brought a handicap.
Right. This shit is low. You said this is a 95, right?
Yeah, 95 and 30.
Gotta tell them about this shit.
Yeah.
Let them know what's under the hood.
Huh?
Let them know what's under the hood.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, it was an auto to manual swap.
Following in his footsteps.
Yeah. It's basically kind of like the old man, like poor man's too far. The GSR block and train.
What kind of headers are these? What kind of headers are these?
That I don't know. I bought it like that.
Oh, word?
Yeah, so I don't know the headers.
Oh, it came with the block?
Yeah, it came with the whole swap together.
Shit. Easy. What kind of training?
GSR.
GSR training.
Yeah.
LSD?
No, gonna go LSD. It probably fell in here when I was fixing stuff.
You got that.
just it's not willing to open. Probably need an impact for this shit.
Yeah, so we're trying to take off the axle nut right now. I gotta have my foot on the brake while he's trying to take it off. Look like he's struggling. Alright, so we took one axle nut off. Success. Driver's side. I'm about to take these brakes today. This is the other side. Holy shit. It's windy. Alright. Taking the brake calipers off right now. So I can put these sliding rotors on my shit. Yo, I have a bad habit for losing bolts, yo.
What's that?
Drive smooth.
I'm not trying to beat it. You're not going to.
Oh yeah, no, go straight.
Right here?
You want to though?
Yeah, go straight in
Boy,
there.
bro.
Hey, make that left right here.
Nah, this shit is crazy. But the most you can go to is like third gear.
Yeah.
Because it's not that long. I'm floating.
I'm not doing that street over there.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
This shit is still fast, bro.
Oh, shit.
Because we some slow guys.
You can start from back there. Oh, shit.
Yo, you don't catch that over?
Yo, race.
Yo, yeah.
Lock it up.
Let him be on the left side so he can.
Yeah. Yo, lock it up.
Lock it up.
Aw, damn. So that nigga lock it up.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, shit.
Well, that shit is automatic. That's
Automatic life.
No, just get some. No, just get your tires wet right here. But you have LSD?
No.
So it's the right one?
Yep.
Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, let's hold it back.
What's it?
Let's get this shit out.
Oh, dead ass. That beats
Oh no, smoke!
You remember I got performance stuff, so no worries.
Bet.
Yo, how you
This
know
is
down?
gold.
Because I don't like downshifting.